Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And if you guys are enjoying the videos, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. And before I continue, I just want to make an announcement that the Discord premium memberships are going to be increasing this week, and the gold membership is going to be removed soon. So you won't be able to access all 4 channels right here for the same price, and there's only going to be individual prices, and then they're gonna go up in price anyways. And we've been killing it lately. We just closed some longs on some positions that we had on XRP, XMR, and not Doge. This one was actually Atom. I don't know why it says Doge, but it's okay. I'll fix that later. Let's keep going here, and I'll actually give you guys my take on what Bitcoin could potentially be doing now. We just printed a new daily candle, so I'll give you guys all the updates on the indicators on what's going on. Right now, to me, again, like I said in yesterday's video, which was like a big hit, that the cycle could have possibly just finished here. And I mean, like, not the larger wave 5, but possibly just this wave 3 here. And we could be getting ready for maybe a small dip in the price, which we already got. We actually had a pretty dramatic drop in price. And I said that it's possible that we could be looking for a crash correction, which is always a possibility, but it turned out that the price wanted to recover and push higher in the B wave. Now, a lot of people are thinking that we're going to make a new all-time high, but again, I think that we may delay that for maybe a couple of weeks, right? I think we may need to cool off, come down, reset, accumulate, and then continue higher in a wave 5. Now, I already have a target here for you guys. I've already mapped it up since we had a nice little high here at 67,500. I pulled the fib from this level here. Now it gives us a target between, let me pull it down. It's actually between, oh, it's a little bit off here, but I can adjust it. It's between 57,600 and as low as 51,000. So again, between this level here, this is going to be your buy area if the price does retrace back down to these levels. And again, this would just mean a 5-wave move down in a C leg. So it's possible right now. I only see right now, all I make of it is that this is a 3-wave move, which is a corrective move instead of a B wave. Could the B wave push higher, make a new all-time high, and become an overshooting B wave? Yes, that is also another possibility, but not one that I'm looking at right now. What I would be looking for would be a C leg towards the downside, but we can explore the possibilities of the overshooting B wave if it does happen, right? So keep that in mind, that I'm not always right, and it's not going to be a guarantee that we're going to, go down to this level here like I predict, right? It can happen, but hopefully I'm looking for what what I'm looking at right now does play out, and we get a shallow retracement in a wave 4, and then we continue higher to a new all-time high in a wave 5. And again, let's say we do hit this level here, then I can give you guys just a very preliminary target of this calculation. So I'll just pull it down here, and I'll see what I can make out of it right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I guess if we do end up doing this crazy scenario where we pump like crazy and we retrace down to this level, then I would be looking for in between, right around my target too, or like this upsloping trend line, between 82,250 and essentially 101,000. But this would mean the price has to come down to here. If it goes a little bit lower or ends a little bit higher, then we can adjust it as we go. But I'll just delete this for now and leave this area here as a potential buy area for the future. But this can move, so just know that this price can move. Now let's take a look at our indicators, and I'll tell you guys what Bitcoin's doing. Okay, so glad you stuck around here. Weekly candle, nothing really changed from yesterday's video. Daily candle, we had an 11 and a 1. Now we have a 3 and a 4. Pretty neutral, I would say. So let's get on the smaller time frames and see what we can find out here. So right now, we have a smaller momentum wave with a red dot printing on the 4 hour. Now is this going to confirm? We'll have to see. 1 hour time frame, decreasing green money flow, and you have a red dot confirmation, red cross here. We really need to see us cut into red money flow and to have a lot of selling pressure for us to really know that we're in the C leg here. So right now on the smaller time frames, it's showing us no money flow or decreasing money flow on the 30-minute, 1 hour. 4 hour, you still have increasing. Actually, well, I mean, it was increasing. Now it's just I guess it's just flat, or it's decreasing just a little bit, but the 4 hour can still remain in the green for a very long time. Let's take a look at our new daily candle with Bitcoin on Wave Edge. So Wave Edge marked a significant amount of selling yesterday, not too surprising. I think there was a whale that's been holding since 2010 that's finally cashed out all of his coins all at once. The daily print just confirmed a red cross right at this level here. Even though we had a nice little update, it has confirmed a red cross on not just one chart but all charts. And we can even take a look at the Bitcoin futures. It's just always interesting to check what the Bitcoin futures are confirming, and also a red cross. So again, I would say that this is negative, but you just have an inside bar price action right now, inside red bar price action. So this would actually be bearish as well, but we will see how things play out in the short term. Right now, alts are loving it. They are mooning like crazy. 4 hour, nothing right now, nothing that I see. And the 1 hour, I think you just have a small red cross, and no real, selling or buying. Nothing that I really see. On the 30-minute, you can see here you got a green cross, which means that it's possible that we could get a pump from here. Very possible. So don't discount it. But again, the lower time frames that you go, and the lower you go, that the less reliable that these indicators could really be. All right. So I like to stick on the larger time frames, 4 hour, daily, right? Stuff like that. Okay. Anyways, that's basically it on the Wave Edge and Market Cipher. I can take a look at a few altcoins right now. One that I want to talk about that people probably aren't talking about enough is Hex. I think Hex is a great opportunity that's waiting to surge at any moment, and I urge you to maybe look into it and look at the chart. I am accumulating significant positions at these levels here. I do believe that we are getting ready to have a big run up in the price, and usually it is around the time when Bitcoin starts to tread sideways and chop and possibly even get a bit of a decline, which means that it's probably indicative that we may get this wave 4 here and some sideways price action before we make a new all-time high. Okay, and we don't have to crash, right? We could just pull back, consolidate, and even come back up to this level and consolidate some more, and then have a huge blow off top, sort of like what we did in 2019. If you guys remember, when we go back in 2019, okay, let's go back. All right, let's go all the way back here. Oh, I don't have it on this chart. Maybe I think I need the Bitstamp chart. Okay, let me get on the Bitstamp chart. I'll show you guys. Back in 2020, we were nearing the all-time high, right? I'm pretty sure this was the all-time high. Yep, we were just nearing the all-time high. We consolidated, right? We chopped sideways, and then we had a huge run up. So that's very possible that that's what's happening right now. We're just gonna drop, consolidate, and then have a huge run up. So we will see. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe. And remember, the premium membership is only going to be available for gold members, and the price is going to go up at the end of the week until the end of the week. So